Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, hoping that I find you lovely people all well and good and hopefully enjoy this art creation that I'm doing today. So this canvas I am putting kind of a base coat on. That one is the navy. And I am going to spread that in and do some of this and do some of that, and I will jump in and explain anything that I need to during this video. So I'm adding my blues for my base coat. So we have a turquoise, a navy, and I think it's called a cyan, CYAN blue. They're going to be my top end colours. So as you see, I'm just gently tilting over the canvas. So just taking your time, nice and relaxed, and covering the whole, well, the side and the pieces that I want to cover of the canvas with the tilt, but always try and remember to come back and recenter your paint so you haven't got it all sitting either in the middle or one side or anything. So just take this nice and easy and enjoy the process. What I just squirted on there was the white, Amsterdam white, Amsterdam being the brand, and it was just mixed with Floetrol only. So there is no silicone in this. And look at the magic happen. You cannot go wrong really with this particular mix. My pouring medium recipes in the drop down box and links to videos for beginners. So it's all there. And now I'll work on that bottom half, but that turned out so nice. I was so happy with that. I am now going to fill the bottom of the canvas up with some nice bright colours and try and do a different composition than I've done for a little while. I think I've done this one before, but I just love those bright colours. So that is the orange, but when I'm making up that orange, I do add a good dollop of yellow in the orange to give it a brighter orange, and that is just the cool yellow. So I've added some white, and I'm now on my Berry Delicious. This is a custom colour that I make up out of cool red, a blob of phthalo blue, and a little bit of black if you want it like a really dark black cherry. And again, same process, I'm squirting the Amsterdam white that's mixed with Floetrol because it gives that gorgeous lacing. And now for some Aussie slides, as I like to call them, because it's basically the Aussie Floetrol, and using that a little swipey tool, whatever you happen to have, but I just find that soft plastic very good for swiping, so I call them an Aussie slide. So just add in, like, it kind of adds like a three-dimensional look in it, that you're kind of looking through to the lacing at the back. And then I'm just going to further beautify it and let you enjoy. So the balloon work today is more sliding and rolling, and not so much the balloon kiss. As I said, there's the balloon kiss, but so I'm doing the kisses along that sort of line there, but a little bit more sliding in there. You can just get some beautiful effects with the balloon. It can be an absolute perfect tool in your acrylic art creations for sure. Now the little smaller, just a smaller size balloon. It's good to have the balloons blown up in different sizes. They all create different effects. So I'm really happy with this piece. It's just bright and vibrant and just makes me feel good. So remember, when you're the artist doing your particular piece in your little art space, your art room, your rules, your way, just enjoy it. Well, here we go. Look at this beautiful gem-like lacing in this. The swipe was the Amsterdam white with Floetrol, and no silicone required to get this kind of beautiful lacing and effects in your work. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Very happy with that. Very, very happy. And just the balloon sliding or smudging or kissing, it just really makes a gorgeous effect on the canvas, I believe. And I'm really happy with that. So I hope you like this video too and like the end product. Please stay safe and yeah, don't put up with feeling sad or lonely. Call a friend, family or a helpline, because there is always somebody willing to step in and with a kind word and a helping hand. So until tomorrow, my lovely people, I will be back and I hope that you will join me. So take care and be safe. Bye for now.